Hi, in today's video, we're going to be talking about Higher Commission Academy, a program from Leslie and Robin from the Pajama affiliates. If you like this program, please give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And while you're at it, a little extra effort for me, please hit the bell icon so you'll be notified every time we publish a new video to our. Now on to today's video program. Today we're going to be doing a review of the Pajama Affiliates Higher Commissions Academy course that you can purchase online. There'll be a link for it in the description. But the point is, the reason this course was designed was as part of a coaching course with Robin and Leslie through Pajama Affiliates. And in one of these programs, they realized that a lot of us were blogging and using Amazon as a major source for income. And back 3-4 years ago, that was an all right thing. But now today, it is changing right now, and has changed the last 3 years. I'm going to show you just a few little snippets from my one account. And what I wanted to point out to you is the fact that I've been making an average the last year and a half of around 99 cents a sale from Amazon. Like this is a screenshot recently from one of my 24 items shipped, $22.53 earned. So that's less than $1 an item. Here's a screenshot from the window. The earnings. Again, 24, 24, 22, 23. Just another to confirm. Now here is a larger picture for a larger time period from one of my sites. 43 items sold, 43 items shipped, and let's move this here. $43.30 again. Less $1 an item basically. So the point is, you're looking for higher commissions. If you're putting the work into the site, into the blog, you want to get more money from selling higher ticket items, basically, but items that not just are higher ticketed, but items that pay you higher dollar amounts per item. Just give you an example of, these are some items. Now, someone hasn't done Amazon before, what you're going to get, you get a lot of sales on a lot of stuff that you're not promoting, but it'll be add-on sales for people looking. This is from a weather site. This is a weather item here. I think I sold one weather station here. Maybe another weather station here. Cities are inexpensive weather stations, under $40. Here's one item that someone added on. Wow, $11.65. But the thing is, I wanted to point out was that many different types of items from different categories are usually mixed in with these sales from Amazon. So we're going to be talking about the Pajama Affiliates courses. This is the Pajama Affiliates courses reviewed series. And as we talk about that today, I want to do the review of the Higher Commissions Academy course. That is an excellent course they developed to help us find higher paying affiliate products that have to do with our niche and other sources than Amazon to sell items from. And so the Higher Affiliate Commission Academy, think bigger commissions. Do you wonder how some people make so much money with affiliate marketing? Well, they're probably not doing it with the model that is through Amazon today, but they're doing it through products they've created and they're selling them of their own that they created. Other high-ticket items. There's a lot of items on Commission Junction, on Warrior Plus, on ClickBank that pay, half, maybe they pay 50% of a $38 ticket. So $19 a ticket, would be an example. $30 sale with 58-cent commission's not going to buy you anything. She said, it might buy me a bottle of wine at the end of the month. And that's true. I mean, it's for the effort you put into developing a site, you want to have higher paid commission sites. So, and just a reminder again, this is the Amazon schedule we're currently working under as an Amazon affiliate. It's not that Amazon is bad, it's great. It's easy once you get it set up to make sales on it, but the commissions are changing, and they did change it 3 years ago from what was a really, really good program. And they rearranged it, changed, and dropped rates. And after COVID-19, they may be working on addressing that again as a change. So today we're going to do a totally honest review, having used the course, knowing the authors of the course from Pajama Affiliates called Higher Commissions Academy. So if you've been following my series, you'll know that Pajama Affiliates, when you purchase a course, the dashboard looks like this. As a member, you log in. Then you'll have the courses you've purchased here. Then you'll find that this is, you scroll down through, these are the courses that I've purchased. You find this, and then you end up clicking on it, and you'll find the course. The course is Higher Commissions Academy. So what we're going to do is start through, the way it's laid out is they use mostly videos for training. And Robin and Leslie take turns depending on the course and the subject matter. They're both very good at what they do. They're both very detailed in explaining what they do. This first section is how to find higher paying affiliate programs. And it basically, Robin goes through and talks about using Google and using like Facebook, and paying attention to what's going on to find what other things are going on in the market as a way to look for other higher paying commissions. And they include, in this course, we'll be talking about things such as ShareASale. They have a detailed section on ShareASale. Another suggestion would be Commission Junction. You see there's a lot of high-end companies that do business through Commission Junction. And then there's ClickBank. And then all these higher priced, I think you'll find there's hundreds, probably into the thousands of different businesses that want you to promote their products from ShareASale. But it would depend on the program and what your site is about, sometimes on if you'll get accepted easily or not. But they go through in the course, like Commission Junction is not talked about in the course, but it's probably because it's a higher end, and it's very difficult to get approved through Commission Junction for a lot of these businesses. And then ClickBank is relatively easily. You can find and get higher paid commissions from here. So they talk about that later in the course. We'll cover that. So that's the first section. As we scroll down through, things to look back. They suggest some of the things I just mentioned. Okay, and there's other sites here, and these are all links out to the sites. And if they don't have an affiliate program, Leslie talks about how she found this product for her one blog that she currently is working on and has been making a bit of money from. She ended up, through contacts, she explains how she got to become an affiliate for this product. So it's kind of thinking out of the box, if you will. I found this course to be very interesting. Get you out of the mindset of just Amazon or just ClickBank. If you've been just kind of zeroed in on those, to look at other ways to make money through making larger sales, getting paid larger amounts of money for selling products, basically. And there's several videos that Robin did that have to do with ShareASale. Because the ShareASale platform, so I was saying, ShareASale is rather complicated. I know a site that I have affiliations with called AWIN. The same thing goes. The sites are kind of hard to get around, figure out where to go, what to do, especially if you're a beginner. And Robin and Leslie have always been interested in helping you out as a beginner to an intermediate level, and helping you make more money, be more profitable with your business, get more reward, I guess, from your effort. So she goes through and talks about different areas of ShareASale. There's a ShareASale video 1, 2. There's another one, how to modify your search even. And then talks about display tools in ShareASale. And then even about data, the importance of having data feeds. Okay, so that's very important. It helped me out a lot with ShareASale and getting accepted for a few companies for my one blog after I had been part of this course. It helped me out a lot. Then talking about ClickBank, finding products on ClickBank. And we all know that if you're a ClickBank member, it looks like this. She talks about zeroing in on your niche and zeroing in on higher paying and in products that are moving well and have high paid affiliate payouts to you. She has video 1, video 2 for ClickBank. And then she also does a section on how to sell higher paying products. There's the mindset of what you're going to be doing, how you're going to present the products to the public. And Leslie talks about her Trichomania blog and selling things like CBD oil as an affiliate. So it's all to get you out of the mindset of simple Amazon, ClickBank, getting more complicated, thinking out of the box, looking for other products to diversify and make more money with from on your site. And then how to even, she did a video on how to draw attention to your store or your brand, which was very, very good. I found that this really helped me out, get me out of the traditional blogger website. I had done a lot of training on a couple courses, basically on Amazon affiliates, and so I needed this. I needed this to get out of the groove, out of the rut, if you will. So the goal is, through this course, is for you to find higher paying commission products, finding products that pay you maybe 20, 30% of the sale price. Like I mentioned earlier about Leslie sells CBD oil. Well, a bottle of CBD oil may cost someone $59, $75, and she gets 30% of that. That's a lot different than me selling a weather station for $40 and making $2. Let's say it's $75, that's $7.50 times 3. That's $22.50 for one bottle that she's making. So they are talking then about how to draw attention to, basically building around a higher paying affiliate product. Okay? So what they're going to do is, Leslie found that she built on her blog, this blog here, that she set up a page, which is a product page. Any products that she promotes on her site are all put in together on one page. This is a way to highlight higher paying products. There's the CBD oil. And there's her own printouts, that a journal that she developed, that she sells. A supplement, the one I showed you earlier from a video that she created an affiliate program with the developer of this product. But this whole course talks about that. That's what's neat about it. What's really neat, what I really like about it, is it gets you thinking, gets you out of the mindset, out of the rut. Robin shows you a way to get around if your affiliate links get destroyed, a way to, to move them to another site without having to change all the affiliate links. But then they're both talking about Robin first, then Leslie, talking about how to develop 4, 5, 6, maybe even 8, 10 blog posts around a product and then interlink them. Okay, which is a very good idea and a great way to develop and bring more traffic in. But the thing is, the key is focus. So the thing is, I found this product to be very, very good for getting you out of the one item sold, make $1 type thing, but selling a product that selling a product that a customer pays you $75 for, that you're going to make 30% on it. It's much better to see a $22 sale, $22, $22, $22, $22, instead of 82 cents, 49 cents, like that. So the thing is, I want to remind you too, is there's a lot of support. There's a lot of videos. And when you become a member of Pajama Affiliates, become a member of the Pajama Affiliates Mastermind Group. And again, this has a lot of interaction on here, a lot of discussion, but there's also a lot of videos in here that the ladies have done over time to help you out. So I hope that from this review, you get the better understanding of how important it is to probably be thinking about getting higher paying commission affiliate products for your site or your blog. And as you do that, don't forget that the course to look at is the course I just reviewed, Higher Commissions Academy. So the course to buy is Higher Commissions Academy. Give it an 8 out of 10 on a review rating scale. The only down thing I would say would be in the course that you don't get a lot of PDFs, that kind of thing for training, but you get a lot of very practical video training. So don't forget the Pajama Affiliates and the Pajama Affiliates course is reviewed. This is the second in the series. We hope you enjoyed this review. If you got some value and learned something from this review and are seriously considering getting more involved with Pajama Affiliates, we thank you. Thanks for liking the video. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. While you're at it, hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified every time we publish a new video to our channel. And thank you for watching. So long.